Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skate 3. First, make sure your Xbox 360 console is properly set up and connected to your television. Next, simply insert the Skate 3 game disc into the console's disk drive. Once the game loads, select the Play Game option from the dashboard. It's important to ensure your controller is synced and has good battery life for a smooth experience. You'll be ready to hit the streets in just a few moments. Mastering the basic controls is key to enjoying Skate 3. The left analog stick guides your skater, while the right analog stick is your primary tool for executing all sorts of tricks. Push the A button to gain speed, and use the B button to slow down or change direction. For grabs, press X, and for flip tricks, hit Y. Remember, the triggers can also modify your tricks and adjust your camera view, giving you full control over your skating style. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to explore advanced tricks and grinds. Combining specific left and right stick movements with timely button presses unlocks a vast array of complex maneuvers. To grind or slide, approach a rail or ledge and use the right stick to lock on. Landing your tricks cleanly is crucial for maximizing your score and gaining valuable experience points. Don't be afraid to experiment. The game rewards creativity with countless trick possibilities. Skate 3 offers a variety of engaging game modes to keep you entertained. Dive into the career mode to tackle numerous challenges, earn rewards, and unlock new sections of the city. For a social experience, jump into online multiplayer with up to 6 players and compete against friends or other skaters. If you're feeling creative, the comprehensive park editor allows you to design and share your dream skate parks. You can even challenge a friend in local split-screen mode for some direct competition.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.